You have the RADIOMASTER Pocket and the Axis Flying Manta 5 SE V2, two pieces of highly capable hardware that currently have no way of speaking to each other. By the end of this setup, we will build a custom profile from scratch, map your physical switches to digital channels, and establish a secure ExpressLRS link between the radio and the drone. Before we introduce any power to this system, take your hex tool and remove all 4 propellers off the motors. We are configuring arming switches today, and live props on a workbench are a severe hazard. Next, insert 2 18650 batteries into the back of the RADIOMASTER Pocket. Double-check that you match the polarity exactly as marked in the bay. Reversing these can short the board. Flip the transmitter antenna up, take the removable stick ends out, and screw them onto the gimbals. Completing these physical checks ensures your workbench is safe and your transmitter is fully powered, giving us a clean slate to begin the software configuration. Power on the radio. Press the SYS button to access the Model Select menu. Scroll to an empty slot and select Create Model. Using the radio scroll wheel, navigate the on-screen digital keyboard to name this profile. For this build, spell out Manta space 5. Press Return to exit the keyboard. Look at the top center of your home screen to verify the new title is locked in. Now press the MDL button to open the model setup page. Scroll all the way down until you reach the section labeled Internal RF. Change the internal RF mode to CRSF. Immediately below that, ensure the external RF option is set to off. The RADIOMASTER Pocket comes in 2 versions. If you have the ExpressLRS version, CRSF is the required protocol for the radio to talk to its internal module. By setting this protocol, we are activating the radio's transmitter hardware and formatting its data into a language the drone's receiver is built to understand. Page over to the radio's Mixes tab. This menu is where you tell the software which physical switch controls which specific digital channel. Let's assign your arming switch to channel 5. Scroll down to CH5, click to edit, and select Source. Instead of scrolling through a list, physically toggle the top left switch on your controller. HTX has auto-registration. The moment you move that physical switch, the software detects the input and instantly maps it to the channel. Repeat this for your other inputs. Toggle channel 6 for flight modes, toggle channel 7 for GPS rescue. Page over to the channel monitor. Flip the 3 switches you just assigned and watch the value shift from -100 to +100 on the screen. Mapping these switches directly on the radio means you have tactile access to arming, flight modes, and emergency GPS rescue, all without ever needing to take your eyes off the FPV feed. Now we will link the 2 devices. Plug your 6S battery into the Manta 5, then immediately unplug it. Do this 3 times in rapid succession. This rapid power cycling forces the drone's ExpressLRS receiver into bind mode. Look closely at the receiver board inside the frame. You are looking for a small LED performing a rapid double flash sequence. That confirms the drone is actively searching for a radio. Back on your radio, press the SYS button. Open the ExpressLRS Lua script, scroll down, and click the bind command. Check the drone's receiver board again. That flashing LED will stop blinking and hold a solid, unbroken light. The solid light means the digital handshake is complete. The RADIOMASTER is now locked to the Manta 5, securing your control link and actively rejecting signals from any other transmitters in the area. Look at the top right of your radio screen. You should see signal bars populated, and you will hear a telemetry recovered audio alert from the controller speaker. Let's do a live physical test of the configuration. Flip the top left switch we assigned to channel 5 to arm the drone. Because the ExpressLRS length is active and the arm switch is mapped, the drone's brushless motors will instantly spin up to idle speed. Disarm the drone. Your next step is to connect the flight controller to the Beta Flight Configurator on your computer to ensure your switch directions map correctly to the drone's internal logic. Completing this pipeline ensures your radio inputs now command the drone's motors and safety modes directly.